Building a business can be one of the most rewarding things that you can ever do in your whole entire life. The challenge is that doing it has a very, very high chance of failure when you're on your own trying to navigate and figure out the path all by yourself. And I truly understand what that's like, because I remember when I first started out my very first pavement asset management business with a 5-gallon pail of sealer and a paint roller. I had no idea what I was doing, and I was going through the school of hard knocks. It was really, really challenging, and the pitfalls were everywhere. It took me a long time to figure out how to grow it. Over the years, I ended up developing a very successful business, but it took an enormous amount of time compared to actually having something at my fingertips that would have fast-tracked me to success. What has helped me truly define what it is that I do and how I'm going to get there faster is by determining what my why is. And so I ask you to really dig deep as to what your why is. Is it your family? Is it that you want to leave legacy behind? Is it that you desire to help people? Well, I can tell you my why is to help as many people as I possibly can in this lifetime that I have the gift to be able to experience, which is life. And I want to help you right now. You see, I understand what it's like to be alone, trying to figure things out. I get it. The good news is that with over 20 years of experience in the industry, we've helped thousands of people build thriving and in-demand asphalt pavement asset management companies, committed to keeping parking lots safe, long-lasting, and looking great. After all, asphalt is everywhere, and it left unmaintained, it needs to be replaced very often, and it becomes unsafe. So the demand is everywhere. And what we've created is the secret formula to success in this industry and in business in general. And we call it the 5 golden rings. Ring number 1 is creating a brand that's unstoppable, that can be recognized. And that's developed from core values and culture. Core values is the foundation, the inner compass for your business that instigates the culture that you need to attract hires and to ultimately attract new customers. So ring number 1 is brand, core values, and culture. And ring number 2 is marketing and sales. Golden ring number 2, marketing and sales. Building a marketing powerhouse means that you're generating leads, and you're also assisting with converting proposals that are out there because people look for social proof. Sales is the voice of your business. You need to understand common objections and the sales framework, how to go after account-based selling, and ultimately go after the right clients that are helping you to get to your goal that you desire in your life. The 3rd golden ring is coaching, in-field coaching. What athletic organization or athlete does not have a professional elite coach? We have customers that we've worked with for the last 2 decades, and they now own 7-figure businesses that are now AK coaches that will teach you exactly what you need to do to be successful with your business. You get to ride in their captain seat with them. The 4th golden ring is AK Dash, the systems that tie it all together. Customer management system, lead management system, creating professional proposals in minutes by filling in the blanks, deal pipelines, task environments, scheduling. And the 5th golden ring, of course, as I started out, the equipment, which is needed now because you've taken care of the 4 golden rings that were needed in order to get to the 5th. Only then do you need the equipment to go and do the jobs that you need to do. And guess what? Even if you can't do the jobs on your own, we have a whole network within Asphalt Kingdom that can perform the work for you, and you could broker those deals. So with over 20 years of experience, we have all the resources, all the tools, all the systems, and the communities that you have right at your fingertips to build a thriving pavement asset management business that's tremendously in demand.
If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.